Welcome to Boozy Books. In this video, we will show you how to create a check receipt. Check receipts are used to track details of received checks from customers. You should reconcile the check after the money is credited in the bank account. How to create a new check receipt. To begin, head to Customer Receipts under the Sales tab. Now click on Check Register and select New Check. Enter the necessary details, including the customer name, check number, and check date. Enter the required amount. Now, to save the check, click on Save Changes. Your check receipt is now created. How to edit or cancel a check receipt. Go to Customer Receipts. Select Check Register and choose the check receipt that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to cancel the check receipt. Click on the Cancel icon, and you are done. How to reconcile a check receipt. Go to Customer Receipts. Select Check Register and choose the check receipt that you want to reconcile. Click on the Reconcile icon. Select the reconcile date and the bank. Click on Reconcile. Your check receipt is now reconciled. Thank you for watching.